Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 with the iRobot Home app. Now keep in mind there's two different versions of the iRobot Home app, so you want to use the newer one. I believe they call the old one Classic, so you want to just download the iRobot Home app, not the Classic version. So once you do, sign in or create your account, then you'll be at this screen where you can view your home, your robots, automation, support, or store, all those icons down at the very bottom. We want to be at the robot section, and we have a couple robots already linked with our account, but we want to go down to the bottom and hit that plus, add a new robot, and now it's going to automatically search for nearby products. So let's give it a second to see if it can find our Roomba. There it is, the Roomba Plus 500 series combo robot needs setup. So we're going to add that robot right here. We're going to connect it to our Wi-Fi. So yes, continue. We need to enter our Wi-Fi password. If you're having trouble, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Our password's entered. It just chimed for us, so press your robot's power button to connect to your phone. We're going to press that. It just made a sound again. Now we have a little checklist here, so we'll wait for everything to go through. Just got a chime there. We'll wait for the app to catch up. And there we go. Our robot is connected. We can name it. So we're going to name it Plus 505. Save name. Now we can go through the screen here where we have an update here. And it says they can take up to 30 minutes. I hope that's not the case. We've had that in the past with previous Roombas from the newer 400 and 100 series. So let's see how long this update takes. All right, it only took 4 minutes to update, which is great to see. Let's go ahead and select continue. And now you'll notice for robots, the Roomba Plus 505 is ready to create its first map. So we can select that again here. And now we'll want to place this where we want it. And then click that create a map button. It'll create a map. And then you'll be able to populate that map and start cleaning. But that's a look at everything set up with the iRobot Home app. It's simple and straightforward. A minute or two at the most to connect to it. And then hopefully you're like me, 4 or 5 minutes to get the firmware updated. Then you can start mapping and then you can start cleaning.